Alright my friends, so in the last video we have built a very good layout, and we have understood the benefit of justify content and align items and how they are very beneficial for us. Now I felt like I made it a bit hard for you to understand these properties. Hopefully not, but this is just a feeling that came to my mind. So that's why I have decided to give you this resource right here. I want you to jump over to any let's say web browser and open a new tab, and in that tab I want you to search for Flexbox. Okay, and once you search for Flexbox, here we have this link where it says css-tricks.com. So here is CSS Tricks website. It's a huge database of information about web design and all sorts of stuff. So click on it. It should be able to load the website. Of course, here is the website. Okay, here's a complete guide to Flexbox that is presented from CSS Tricks. They have a very comprehensive explanation about CSS Flexbox. If you want to learn more about Flexbox, of course I'm gonna explain it more in details, okay, in depth, in the next few videos, where we are gonna build a very flexible layout using Flexbox and some positioning and so on. So but if you wanna be earlier learner, you can go ahead and jump over to this website, learn about everything right here that you can. They have quite a good presentation. For example, we have the display property, and we have this define flex container, and you can learn more about it. Okay, we have all the way to the bottom. We have the justify content right here, which is, as I said, control the space in the X direction, and here all the possible values that you can specify. Okay, so we have the property name and we have the property values. All right, so here's the values that we can specify. Of course, I have showed you just a few of these, but you can read more about them. We have the align items, which is control the space, or it will load the in the y-axis. Okay, now what we are going to do here is I just want to give you some tip, which is here on the top they have a very nice thing, that the properties for a parent. Okay, so here on the left we can see all the properties that are available for the parent, or essentially the tag that has a display flex. So this is the parent, so that's why you have all these on the left. They are related to the parent tag. But here on the right we have properties for children, the flex items. Okay, so the flex container as well as the flex items. So if we go back right here and if we a bit maximize this one right here, and we can see these divs are flex items, but this section right here is a flex container. Why is that? Because we are defining the display flex on it, so that's why it is a flex container. Now hopefully that makes sense. I will leave the resource for you so you can go ahead and learn more about it, and I highly urge you to go ahead and learn more about it. Otherwise, see you in the next one.